everyone, and welcome back. It's Gina from orchidandopal.com, and today I am happy to share the February 2022 Didi's Deluxe Bead Box. Now, they are located in Quebec, Canada, which is awesome for especially Canadian viewers, but she also has a lot of subscribers from the US as well. This February box is sold out, but there are some spots available for the March subscription box if you want to go ahead and sign up for that. I'll leave the link to it right down below the video, and I also have a coupon code for the bead shop because there is a complete online store as well. And that code is Opal15. That will save you 15% off most of the things in the shop, not including the deluxe bead box or the mystery grab bags, but everything else. And you can get free shipping on orders over $95 if you're in Canada, and orders over $125 if you're in the US. But going back to the box, every month has a specific theme, and you'll get a variety of different items, both beads and some components, to potentially put some items together directly from the contents. So let's go ahead and open this up. And everything is nice and neat in this box, and it says, warning, opening this package will cause extreme happiness. All right, so let's see what our theme is for this month. See some blue tissue. Ooh, nice. So our theme is called Tropical Getaway, and we have the list of everything that is included right here on our sheet. And you can see the website there, and that you can find the Didi's Beads and D's Stash group on Facebook as well. So here's a little peek at what we're going to take a look at. That looks gorgeous. And I'm going to get organized so we can look at each of these items one at a time. All right, so we're going to see some things that you can also find similarly in the Didi's Bead shop, such as some gemstone beads, different types of glass beads, stringing material, and findings, to name a few. And we're going to get started with the most gorgeous strand of 8mm Aqua Blue Sea Sediment Jasper. There are 50 pieces on this strand, and I am just loving this. You get a ton of beads here to work with. First of all, it's 16 inches long, and look at all the different shades of blue and aqua and some of the sandy beiges and browns that come together, all the beads being a little bit different, and definitely evoke tropical water for the theme. Next, we have a 17-inch strand of 6x4mm Mystic AB Peach Coral Faceted Crystal Rondelles. These are a beautiful complement to the blue Sea Sediment Jasper and give us a little bit of extra sparkle with that faceting. There's two different tones going on with the orange. One part of the bead is more peachy gold than the other, which has a more true orange color. And again, we have a lot of beads to work with here. And then our third strand is 8mm Cream Riverstone Fossil Jasper. We have 25 pieces on this 8-inch string, and these add a great neutral to go along with the two other brighter colors. I love the fact that we're getting another strand of gemstone beads. They are so smooth, in great condition, and have the most beautiful creamy color. Up next, we have a bag containing 50 of these Aqua Faceted Glass Bicone beads. So we have another bead option giving us another shape and size to perhaps use to space out some of those gemstone and orange beads below and give us a little pop of aqua sparkle. And we also have the addition of 36 inches or 1 yard of 2mm soft natural distressed light brown leather cord. Really generous amount. It's a warm shade of lighter brown. It does have a very soft feel to it. I love the slightly distressed look also, and I think this is a great casual addition as a stringing material to go along with a beachy inspired theme. Up next, we have some golden brown square shell beads. It looks like there's 6 pieces included, and these are a 15mm square. Another great beachy addition with these flat square shells. They're all a little bit different and give you that organic, gorgeous mother of pearl luster. The hole runs through the center of each of these squares. And then next we have 6 pieces of 14mm cream magnesite starfish. Another great beachy addition. I like that these also coordinate with those cream riverstone beads that we had gotten this month also. They have a tinge of a darker shade of beige around the inner angles of the starfish arms, and the hole runs through the center of the bead and out through the top there. And then we have these fun carved coconut wood rondelles, 12 pieces in there. They're a 9x4mm size. These are really cool. They're carved as well, so they're not just a completely smooth and rounded rondelle. They've got a little bit of texture to them, and I really like how this box is coming together. All I need is a lounge chair and a tropical drink with a little umbrella in it, and I'll be good to go. All right, next we have this focal. This is an antique brass starfish pendant. It's 50mm in size, and you get 1 piece of those. Lots of detail on the front, giving us even more texture and the feel of movement. And there is a look at the back. And now we're going to look at some more components. We have a toggle clasp included with a mermaid. This is also in antique brass. That's adorable. Really, really cute. Coordinates with the other antique brass pendant and the other components that we're going to see. Up next, we have a pair of 25mm double-sided antique brass Seahorse charms or drops. So like it said, these are the same on both the front and the back. Another adorable addition. I can definitely see some great pieces coming out of this theme and out of these contents. They're definitely really well thought out. And these deluxe bead boxes are just plain fun to open. Then we have this bag containing 10 pieces of 18mm brushed bar links or connectors. Another handy component that coordinates with the theme and something that you can do so much with. These connectors are so versatile, whether you're using them in earrings or connecting them like a chain for a necklace or bracelet, using these in a multi-strand project. So those will offer some really fun options. And then last but not least is our bonus bag, which contains some assorted sparkling enamel Seashell Charms. Aren't these so cute? I love the sparkle on those shells, and the blue on this shell is just so pretty. That enameling, that's gorgeous. Very pretty light gold color, and all these are in really good shape. And I like the fact that the glitter is underneath the coating, so it doesn't feel like it's gonna fall off or anything. It's gonna stay intact. So that wraps up the February 2022 Didi's Deluxe Bead Box. I love this theme. I love how this has been put together. I'm thrilled that there's another option out there, especially for Canadian viewers, where the shipping isn't going to be almost as much as the box. For example, like some of the ones from the States that cost a lot to ship up there. And shipping's pretty reasonable too down to the US. I think it's around $10, but that might depend on your location. So I want to thank you all for being here to check out this second Didi's Deluxe Bead Box unboxing. Be sure to wander around the bead shop and see what you can find, and don't forget you can use the coupon code OPAL15 to save 15% off, not including the bead box or the mystery grab bags, of course. And I'd love to hear from you. If you have anything you'd like to say, let me know what you think of the box or the theme. It's always a pleasure to support another female-owned small business, so I'm sure she'd love to have you. If you enjoyed the video, definitely give it a big thumbs up and subscribe while you're here, because I would love to have you back. But that's all I have for now. Until next time, I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day, and as always, happy beading.